It's a little tight. Oh. Should be a ring that holds the pistons. I guess I can take this apart with a hammer. So. It shows that it's left hand. Put in PAVCs, they actually sit on the bottom, they don't sit on the top. So it's kind of opposite. Either running it dry, viscosity levels off, pressure spike. This is for your horsepower, your cone. It's not bad, could reuse it. Same with the spring. This should all be good to reuse. Housing's pooched. Actually, it's not the worst. Servo spool is definitely shot though. That's pretty bad. Replace 100%. And back end needs to be replaced. So you can see here you got a burr. It's actually not necessarily a burr. That's just the housing actually broken. It's supposed to have a lip here. Like it's gone. It's supposed to kind of be like this. So, not good. These caps are probably still fine, but you'll have to replace the barrel or the bearing. Replace the shaft bearing as well. Basically everything's garbage.
Customer ended up buying a brand new PAVC off of our shelves in the stock.